In this video, I'll show you how to use the IFS function. The IFS function works like the if function, whereas the if function allows you to state one condition or one logical test. The IFS function allows you to state more than one condition or more than one logical test. So let's see how that works. On my screen, I have a list of fruits, and here in column B, I have the harvest quantity. And then in column C, I have the harvest status. We want to be able to label the harvest status as, say, bumper harvest, good harvest, or poor harvest. Now, if you do this manually, but imagine if your data is big, it will take you so much time and therefore becomes cumbersome to do. The ifs function makes this very, very easy. So let's go right in. Remember, to start any function in Excel, you first must start with an equal sign. So we do equals and then type in ifs. Once you type in ifs, you see a couple of options pop up on the screen. We double click on the ifs to pick it. And as usual, I advise that we use a function argument box to guide us on how to use the function. So you go to the FX button and click that. Once you do, the function argument box opens for you. So you see here we have logical test 1 and then value if true. So right here, we click in here and then we want to give our logical test or our condition. We click in here and go to B4. Once you click B4, the function argument box picks it for you. So we want to say that if B4 is greater or is more than, say, 80. If it's more than 80, we want it to say or label the place as bumper harvest. Bumper harvest. And then we come to logical test 2. Here we say if B4 is greater than 50. If it's true, we want it to say it is a good harvest. Good harvest. Now we come to logical test 3. Here we say if B4 is less or equal to 50, we want to say it's a poor harvest. Now to get to the next space, you hit the tab key on your keyboard to go to the next space. So here we type in poor harvest. We okay it. There you have it. So here we have poor harvest as a status for avocado, because the condition was that if it's 50 or less, it's a poor harvest. Now we copy this formula for the rest of the fruits. We do that by double clicking on the autofill handle right here, and there you have it. We have for blueberry, we have 33. It is below 50, and so it's a poor harvest. We pick cranberry is 88. That's a bumper harvest. We have avocado 76. That is a good harvest. So the if function is an easy way to give multiple conditions to see which set of your data meet that condition. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.